modern world is filled with so many opinions, and we're on information overload from invited and uninvited sources almost every minute of every day. Too often we're left with the impression that we're destined to drift endlessly on a sea of conflict and confusion. But some of us know better. Some of us know that there is something on the other side of this moment of moral reckoning that we're in, something beyond the trifles and tension that now presents. That's why this podcast explores the history and hopes of a people, honestly and completely. Not from the standpoint that descends into the depths of dread and hysteria, but from gathering fragments of a bitter past that remain helpful and useful in our reach to a better future. A man once said we as a people would get to the promised land. It's important to be reminded of that as we navigate the treacherous but temporary waters of this moment.
That's what I learned from this week's episode, but we would like to hear from you. Join the conversation and tell us what you think.
As always, thank you for listening, and be sure to tune in each week for a new episode of Hidden Legal Figures, the podcast.